Which flooring is best for your house? Dear friends, choosing the right flooring for your house is an important decision because it affects the look, comfort, and durability of your home. The ideal flooring depends on factors such as lifestyle, budget, climate, and the specific use of each room. One of the most popular choices today is tile flooring. Porcelain or ceramic tiles are highly durable, water-resistant, and easy to maintain. They are especially suitable for kitchens, bathrooms, and living areas in warm climates. Tiles also come in a wide range of designs, textures, and colors that can match almost any interior style. Another common option is marble flooring, which gives a luxurious and elegant appearance to your home. Marble is often used in living rooms and entrance areas to create a premium look. However, it requires regular polishing and maintenance to keep its shine. Wooden flooring is a great choice if you want a warm and cozy feel inside the house. It is very popular in bedrooms and in colder regions. Wooden floors add natural beauty and comfort, but they need proper care because they can be affected by moisture and scratches. For homeowners looking for a budget-friendly option, vinyl or laminate flooring can be a smart choice. These materials are easy to install, affordable, and available in designs that mimic wood or stone. In the end, the best flooring for your house depends on your needs, lifestyle, and maintenance preferences. A smart approach is to use different flooring types in different areas to achieve both functionality and style. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.